Hello, my name is Ashley Galati. I am going to be showing you how you would put on a isolation gown and go into a patient's room and empty their Foley. So I'm going to start with my alcohol sanitizer. Got to get your hands sanitized before you can open your gown up. All right. So I'm going to take my gown and I'm going to start at the neck of the gown. Place that around my head. Hands go in. And then you want to cover up as much as your body as you can. You're going to take your strings and tie them behind you. And then lastly, you're going to take your gloves and put them on, and you want to put them on over your gown, the cuff of the gown, so that you have no skin showing. Alright, so now that I've got my mask, gown, and gloves on, I'm ready to go see my isolation patient. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hi, are you Cindy?
I am.
Hello, Cindy. My name is Ashley.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm going to be taking your Foley and emptying it for you today.
Thank you.
You're
appreciate
welcome. So now that I've introduced myself, I'm going to take my barrier, my alcohol pad, and my, I forget what they call it, a measuring device. Alright, so you put your barrier down. Measuring device underneath it. And I open up my alcohol pad and have it ready. So I'm going to take my my real life Foley here. You would pull down the tube, and it's important not to touch the tube to the inside of our measuring device. So once you have that tube in there, you are going to open the airway and the Foley is going to empty out. And once you have it completely emptied, you are going to take your wipe and clean the bottom of the Foley bag and clean the tip of the tube there, and then snap it back in place. And then you are going to take your Foley bag and hang it back up on the bed. If your bed was raised at all, you'd want to bring it back down to the ground. Then I'm going to take my barrier and my alcohol wipes, throw those away in my pretend garbage that you don't have to follow me in. You would set your measuring cup down and make sure that you get eye level with it, and whatever your measurements are. Did it end? Oh, all right. Then I'm going to track my measurements. Okay, got those tracked. I am now going to take our urine, follow me, and dispose of it properly. Okay, so I'm going to pour the waste into the toilet, flush the toilet. I'm going to take our measuring device and clean it out. set it up to dry. Okay. So I'm pretty much done now at this point. So first, in removing your PPE, you want to take your gloves off like so. Okay. Then I'm going to come to my back and grab the ends that weren't touching anything. And come around like so. Arms done. And lastly, take it off around your head. Roll in all the parts that were contaminated. Roll it up. Throw it away. And we're done. Thank you.